Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Canva team, invite problems step by step. So if your Canva invites aren't sending, team members can't join, invite links don't work, or collaboration keeps failing, yeah, this guide will help you solve the most common issues quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Canva team features rely on online syncing, so weak internet can sometimes block invites or loading. One of the most common problems is entering the wrong email address, so double-check the spelling before sending the invite again. Now open your Canva team settings and make sure you actually have permission to invite new members. I mean, some team roles only allow viewing or editing, not inviting users. One common solution is clearing browser cache and cookies. Outdated browser data can interfere with Canva collaboration tools. If you're using a free or limited Canva plan, check whether your team member limit has already been reached. If nothing works, contact Canva support directly and explain the invite issue with screenshots if possible. Yeah, support can often detect account-related problems faster. And that's basically how to fix Canva team invite problems from start to finish. After trying these fixes, inviting and managing team members should work much more smoothly.